So guys, I got a free sub. It's my friend's mother. I think on coast clear, no security guards watching. I don't think this is gonna go popular. Security, wait, I'm gonna read it. Security scavenger hunt, tornado, and Jamaican cherries. That's what the name will be. And go to my friend. And we are gonna record both together. And it's gonna be at least like 1 hour of recording. So I'm gonna pause and ask their mom. So guys, this is tell they went there. I don't know why I am even searching. Guess I can secretly each one and Jamaican. If you made it this far long, you think he's Jamaican. I see him! Run! Guys, I almost tipped over. And there are some girls. Say hi to Cam. Hey, say hi to Cam. Hey, say hi to camera.
Say hi, Bhaiya.
Hey, act normal on cam.
Hey. Hi. Hello guys, welcome to ground ఎలాగుంటుందో చూపిస్తాం పదండి.
Guys, security scavenger hunt. I saw the security guard. We are like divided. It's called security scavenger hunt. So blurry. Oh, I am parkouring. Security. Guys, I just want to show you the security guard. Hey, security guard ni chusa. Zooming in the. Wait. Did you saw the security coming? అరే మనం ఒక మ్యారథాన్ చేద్దామా? అంటే ఇలా నుంచి ఇక్కడ సెక్యూరిటీ గార్డ్కి కనబడకుండా చేద్దాం. అదే రా సెక్యూరిటీ గార్డ్కి కనిపించాం అలాగే. Let's do a marathon. Let's do a marathon with our friends and you. Guys. I'm doing marathon. That guy is gone first. He's a lead of me. I don't know where are our friends. అరే వాళ్ళు రాలేదురా. Guys, I don't know why I'm showing them on cam, by the way. Where are they?
I just met only.
Think lost. They're really lost.
Hello.
Wait, I'm a dumbass. I can literally take a picture.
Take a picture.
That.
Take it.
So guys, and this is the storm chasing time. Guys, I almost did, but I fell. So yo guys, guys, the funnel is like slowly and slowly reaching down and a photo.
Okay, done. Go.
Guys, we don't find my brother. What are they doing without a marathon? I saw them. I see them. Nah. అరే నేను భయపెట్టిస్తాం ఉన్నారా Guys, I got this kid on cam. My fucking screen. Security guard వస్తాడు. Back to security scavenger hunt. I'm doing a marathon. Hey, why are you grabbing me? Security guard వస్తాడు. Guys, I'm the only one who is not following the rules in the entire playground. Security guards are like shit. అది అచ్చే వెళ్ళకరా అట్టేరా సెక్యూరిటీ గార్డ్ వెళ్తున్నాడు. Guys, I'm back on a marathon. Literally. So the security guard heading for there. Guys, one down. One down of the marathon. Ready, కింద పడింది. నేను పరిగెత్తురా. మా అమ్మలు ఉన్నారు. Security guard తెలియకూడదు. So yo guys, I'm going to my dad. I'm drinking some water.
నా పుట్టినరోజు ఈ రోజు
Take it, sir.
ఒకటిదే సరదాగా అంతే
అరే ఇచ్చిందిరా ఒకట్రా. తమ్ముడికి తెలియకూడదు. So guys, see you again when I am at me and my brother and my dad. So, pause.